Hi there! Blueprints allow admins to deploy apps, configure security settings, and even customize the look of a device all from a single settings page. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to assign blueprints in Jamf Now. If you haven't created a blueprint yet, or you're looking for a more detailed explanation of creating and assigning blueprints, be sure to check out the Get Started with Jamf Now series linked in the resources. We can assign a blueprint to a device from a device's detail page or from within a blueprint itself. Let's start on the Devices page and select a device. The Dashboard tab shows us various information about our device, including who it's assigned to and what blueprint it has. To assign or change a blueprint, click Assign Blueprint. On the right, we have a list of available blueprints in our instance. Remember that a device can only have one blueprint assigned to it at a time. Selecting a new blueprint will remove all previously assigned settings, apps, and preferences not included in the new blueprint. Be sure you're ready to make those changes before assigning a different blueprint. For this example, I'm changing this device's blueprint from Operations to Management. Once selected, click Assign Blueprint. If we wanted to update multiple devices at the same time, it's often easier to assign a blueprint from within the blueprint itself. Navigate to Blueprints on the left, and then select the blueprint you want to assign. For this example, I'm selecting my Customer Education blueprint. Let's go to Devices, which is located at the bottom of the payload list. Currently, this blueprint is not applied to any devices, so let's select Add a Device. On the right, we have a list of devices in our instance. Select the devices you want to receive this blueprint, click Add Devices, and that's it! The computer is now shown in the list of devices. If we wanted to add more devices in the future, we can click Add a Device in the top right. Thanks for watching.